So, hello students, hope you all are doing well. So let's continue our JavaScript series, and today we will gonna discuss about your event listener. Okay. So in our previous lecture, we had seen the concept of your events, that how you can simply apply your events onto your any HTML code, and after the performing any kind of operation, your event is being automatically triggered. Okay. And today we will see the concept of your event listener. Okay, so basically your event listener is came into the field for the overcome some disadvantages. Okay, of your events. Okay, so let's see the kind of disadvantages that is your event is containing, and how your event listener will be solved those issues of your events. Okay, so let me share my desktop screen, and then we will continue our today lecture. Okay, so so in our previous lecture, we had simply create this HTML5, and we had a added our demo.js with this particular file by using your script tag. Okay, and in our demo.js, we had seen that how you can simply perform the events or add the event to your any HTML attributes. Okay, so here, we had simply done that. We had access access the button by using their IDs. Okay, we had access the button by using their ID name, and then we had simply performed the events that is on click. Okay, event onto that particular ID, and we had passed a simple message onto it. Okay, so if I will go to my browser, and if I will click onto it, okay, see, click me, then my event is being triggered. Okay, and this here I had used on mouse over. Okay, so this is why how many time my mouse is being onto that particular area, my event is being triggered here. See here, okay. And also on the double click, if I will make a double click, then my this particular event is being clicked here. Okay. So this is what we had seen onto our previous lecture. Okay, but there is a problem with your events. That is, see, here I had simply applied every event on the every element at a only once time. Okay, but what if I will use this same btn. Okay, btn dot on click. Okay, on click, but I will pass some different messages in this second function. Okay, in this function. Okay, so here I will pass simply let's take okay, first let's uh, let's make the event of this second button. Okay, so I will use this second btn. Okay, second dot btn, and then after I will use this particular event that is on dbl click, on dbl click. Okay, and after that I will make the arrow function here, and I will pass the different messages here. Okay, so console.log, I will pass the message. Let's take third here, third. Okay, third. And so by the basic way, and roughly, if we had seen that we had write our console.log. Okay, for this time, and message should be printed second, and for this time the message should be printed third. Okay, but if you had move on to your browser screen, and if you will press the double click onto this particular button, then the third message is being printed. Okay, second message is not being printed. Okay, but second should Also print means if you had used the same variable or the same button, okay, and you are trying to perform the operation of a different time again, then your previous method is being overrided here, okay. Your previous method is being overrided here, okay. So for simply removing this kind of problem from your event, so that you can perform the multiple event on a same function, okay. There is a concept of your event listener is came into the field, okay. So for the till now, what I will do, I will simply make the comment out all these thing here. Okay, I will make the comment out all this thing. Okay, and see, this is my demo.html file. Okay, and let's perform your the concept of listener onto this particular button. Okay, so first of all, I will access this by using our document dot query selector. So I will copy this piece of code simply from here. Okay, so I will copy this. So Control C, and then here I will paste it. Control B. Okay, Control B. So by using this piece of code, I'm able to access that particular button by using their ID name. Okay, and then after I will perform the event listener on this btn. Okay, so btn dot add event listener. Okay, for the performing the concept of event listener, there is predefined function that is add event listener is being defined onto your javascript. Okay, so add event listener, and inside this you have to write the kind of event you wanted to perform. Okay, so let's perform here only click event. Okay, so if somebody will be click here, okay, then my event should be the trigger. Okay, so click, and then after I will simply perform the operation here. So it make the arrow function, and then after I will simply pass the message. Okay, so console.log, and inside this I will pass the message, let's check first here. Okay, first, and if I will move to my browser, and if I will click, then the first message is being displayed. Okay, and now what I will do, that I will simply make this event again and again. Okay, again and again, but the message will be message I will print for the different. Okay, so see, in this particular year I will print second, and in this I will print third. Okay, see the same variable. Okay, that means on the same button, I'm just simply apply the concept of my event listener again and again, and try to perform different kind of activities. Okay, then my event listener will perform all those activity in proper sequence manner. Okay, they will not override your concept onto it. Okay, so if I will move to my browser, and if I will click it, I refresh it, and if I will click, then first, second, third, all these thing is being printed here. Okay, but if we are using the concept of our simply event, then there is only third will be printed onto that particular case. Okay, and remaining this second and first is being overridden by the third. Okay, so this is the main advantage of using your event listener. Okay, and also you can simply remove the any event from your event listener. Okay, how? So let's take that is we want to simply remove this event that is performing the second operation. So what we have to simply do? Okay, so we have to access this particular event. Okay, we have to access this particular event onto our different variables. Okay, so let's make it. I will use a variable. Let's take c is equals to, and inside this I will pass this simple message. Okay, let's take, I have to pass console. Okay, console.log. Okay, so console.log, and let's make a message second here. Okay, second here, because I wanted to simply remove this message from here, that is, I will use the concept of my remove. Okay, so I had taken this function into the different variables, and then after I will apply my remove function onto this particular event listener. Okay, that is C. Okay, and now what I will do, I will simply use my object, that is, uh, I will simply use my btn variable. Okay, which is being used for the accessing the position of my that particular button. Okay, so btn, and then after I will simply place the add event listener. Okay, add event listener, and inside this I will perform the click operation onto my, and I wanted to simply perform this kind of operation here. Okay, so I will pass this C here. Okay, and now if I will move to my browser screen, and if I will click, then the first, third, and the second. Okay, second is printed at the last, because I had bring my second operation at the last position. Okay, see, and now if I have to remove this second, then what I will do, that I will simply use that btn dot remove event listener. Okay, remove remove event listener, this property. Okay, remove event listener, and I will pass into it the click operation, and then comma c. Okay, and now if I will move to my browser and place onto this particular button, then only first and third is being printed here. Okay, my second operation is being removed from your this particular event line. Okay, so that is how you can perform the remove operation onto your event listener as well. Okay, so this is all about the event listener. Okay, so let's wrap up our today's session. So till then, keep learning, keep growing. Have a nice day. Bye.